A, la- a large part of earth, a large part of the earth, it covered the huge mass of mixture of organic and inorganic matters. Soil, the loose particles of rock. Soil, the depositional features of upper part of the earth surface, sprayed earth surface, thin layer of the earth surface. As a soil is as a resource, the most important, the natural resource, most important रिन्यूएबल है, वेरिएबल है, और स्पेशली फॉर एग्रीकल्चर द सॉइल is most the valuable for ag production, value for the farmers के लिए. Which type of the soil? So sir, which type of the soil? Fertile and unfertile soil valuable for the farmer? Yes, fertile soil.
Fertile.
Yes, fertile soil, because the soil is the soul of agriculture. Which region are dominated by the fertile soil? So low-lying land on the bank of river, most area is spread the fertile or important soil. So soil is the soul of agriculture. Soil is the soul of agriculture. So agriculture production, like a cash crop हो, food crop हो, beverage crop हो, all the agriculture products depend upon the fertility of the soil. Rich and deep soil cover. Rich and deep soil cover are basically mainly from low-lying land area. Mr. Manish Kumar, change your icon. Name अपना लिखो या पिक्चर दो. Manish. Depend upon the fertility of soil. With the high degree of the fertility, favor the agriculture production. With the less thick layer of the soil, the thick layer of the fertile soil is very important for the growth of plant. Rich, but you know, alluvial soil is the soul of agriculture. Fertility है, mixture of organic and inorganic matters है. Indirectly, animal also depend upon the soil to satisfy their basic needs. As soil gives the nutrients, the plants, it shelters the insect animals like a rat, cat, earthworm, and etc. Also, the use of, जैसे ही हम सॉइल का यूज करते हैं, ये सॉइल सोर्स है, बट जैसे ही उसका हम लोग रिसोर्स करते हैं, तो यूज किस में है? सॉइल का यूज किस चीज में करेंगे? फॉर मेकिंग द ब्रिक्स में, मेकिंग पोट्री में, हाउसेज में करते हैं, यूज करते हैं. बट soil is a natural resources. Some factors are responsible for formation of the soil. Some factors formation of soil. Soil का formation क्या है? Weathering, erosion and deposition. Weathering, erosion and deposition. Some factors. Number one, suppose करो कि number one parent crop. Parent crop. Number two, topography. Number three, climate. Number four, vegetation. Number five, time and culture. So, factors affect the formation of the soil. So, parent rock bolo, weathered rock bolo, these rocks are original rock from the breaking small pieces of earth due to the weathering process, which soil are formed by the process of weathering is known as the parent rock, bedrock, weathered rock. For example, दे दो in Deccan Trapezian area in India का दे देते हैं, western part of the Aravalli hill, western part of the Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat region area, the formation of the black soil. Now second factor is the topography. Topography, the relief features. Relief features like a mountain है, plateau है, plain है. Also affect the thickness of the soil covered in the mountainous area. On the steep slope, downward slope, steep slope, clear, shallow, thin area. On the other hand, gentle slope. यानी कि steep slope, gentle slope, mountainous area, plateau area, plain area. So just the vary करता है आपका thickness vary करता है, but uneven, not uniform the surface of land due to the natural the relief feature. So thickness, चाहे वो स्ट्रीप स्लोप हो, डाउनवर्ड हो, जेंटल स्लोप हो, माउंटेनियस रीजन एरिया हो, वैली रीजन एरिया हो, soil cut thick and deep. But you know, the soil cover always thick in the flat surface land due to the depositional features. The important agent of denudation, running water, rainwater, slow moving of ice, slow moving of ice. So agent depositional, but you know especially for the low lying land on the bank of river, deltaic region area, the ideal for the formation, the thickness of the soil and more fertile soil, the rich alluvial, the rich content, the humus. So the farmers are prefer to the deltaic region area and the river basin region area. Not only they provide the rich soil, but also favorable climatical condition, availability of the availability of the water. But in compare the other region, like in the desert region area या mountainous region area या plateau region area, जब हम कंपेयर करते हैं सॉइल की थिकनेस पर, सॉइल की थिकनेस पर वेरिएशन रिलीफ के द्वारा, चाहे वो माउंटेन हो, वैली हो, गॉर्ज हो, कैनियन हो, स्टीप स्लोप हो, जेंटिल स्लोप हो, डाउनवर्ड हो, प्लेन सरफेस एरिया हो, अनडुलेटिंग सरफेस लाइन हो, इन द डेजर्ट एरिया हो, not only the variation of the relief features but also the response to the climatical condition, formation of the soil, breaking of rock, displacement one region one place to another place. now जब कंपेरिजन करते हैं तो बेस्ट थिकनेस जो है सॉइल का वो आपको द प्लेन रीजन एरिया में मिलेगा. द थर्ड फैक्टर क्लाइमेट and temperature, rainfall and temperature, both are also the responsible for the affect the soil formation, both the responsible for the soil formation. Second, for example, in the heavy rainfall area where the maximum the 100 to 200 centimeter rainfall, the high temperature 50, 40, 45 to 50 degrees Celsius temperature in India. So temperature and rainfall. Temperature, rainfall, rocks are easily weathered. Rocks are easily break the small pieces due to the climate. Too much very hot in the area and too much cold. Glacier in area. Breaking of rock. ब्रेकिंग एक्सपोज का ब्रेक करता है जिसके कारण. सो सपोज करो कि द राजस्थान का रीजन एरिया जहां पर 50 एंड 54 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर है, वहां का देखते हैं ड्राई डे डिफरेंस का डे और नाइट के टेम्परेचर में डिफरेंस है. जितना तेजी से डे में वो वार्म होता है उतना ही तेजी से नाइट में वो कूल हो जाता है. तो रॉस क्या क्या एक्सपेंड and contact with the result of the quick formation of the soil. जल्दी से दूसरा है कि जहां हेवी रेनफॉल हो रहा है, soluble rock material easily gets the dissolved and the washed away by the running water. The affect the soil formation. फिर उसके बाद vegetation and time, plant also grow crack करता है. rocks, extremely rock, with the time roots plants start the planting in the crack and make them the wider. As a result, the crack disintegrated into the smaller pieces and help the formation of the soil. Maturity of the soil. Soil is a renewable resource. It takes the thousands of years and develop the very thin the layer of the soil on the earth's surface. In Egypt, Nile basin हो या डेल्टा Ganga and Brahmaputra have a very deep and fertile soil because of all the weathered material to carry from the Himalaya upward to downward with the help of the agent of the gradation, like a running water, and they just carried upward to downward and just mixture of the organic and inorganic matter and the low lay flat surface land. Just the mouth of the river are deposited naturally in the rich alluvial soil, fertile soil, and the farmers are preferred to the farming for the near deltaic region area and the basin region area. But what is the important कहता है कि फर्टाइल सॉइल चाहे वो ब्लैक सॉइल हो, रेड सॉइल हो, लेटेराइट सॉइल हो, माउंटेन सॉइल हो, एरिड सॉइल हो या एलुवियल सॉइल हो, तो these are type of the soil from in the different part of the nation. इंडिया की बात करते हैं, हिमालय रीजन एरिया है, डेजर्ट रीजन एरिया है, पेनिनसुलर प्लेटू रीजन एरिया है, कोस्टल रीजन एरिया है, basin region area, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus basin area. So formation and the variety of the soil, formation or variety of the soil, formation and the variety of the soil are formed so soil resource utilization, soil formation, important of a soil, the fertile soil is essential for agriculture. Fertile soil is essential for the agriculture. It helps the maintaining the food security of the world. 80% to 90% people are engaged in the field of the agriculture for secure the food. It basic needs, our basic needs, food, shelter, and the cloth. Basic needs है. Indirectly or directly, the people are engaged in the field of the agriculture. But it has been observed that the fertile soil is several damaged by the soil erosion. So it is the serious concern, the problem. Rapidly, the fertile soil, the removal of the topsoil by the agent of physical हो या human, not only the physical, आपके human being वो भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, वो भी जवाबदेही है कि आपकी सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी को कैसे वो डैमेज कर रहा है. नेचर तो है ही, बट ह्यूमन बीइंग भी आपको करता है. टॉप लेयर ऑफ द सॉइल जिसको कहते हैं रिमूवल द टॉप सॉइल, देन द सॉइल इरोजन with the help of agent of the natural agents like running water है, रेन वाटर है, wind है, ग्लेशियर कारण है. The physical fact responsible, human factors excess utilization of the land, excess fertile soil का क्रॉपिंग सिस्टम, डिफॉरेस्टेशन, overgrazing, mining, they are the major reason for destroy our removal of the soil. ये कारण है कि सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी, सपोज करो ठीक है, एवरी ईयर मूसलाधार बारिश आती है, बारिश आई, टॉप लेयर जो धीरे 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 वॉश होते जाता है, नेचुरली है, टॉप लेयर जो है वो वॉश हो गया। दूसरा कारण है रेन वाटर, रनिंग वाटर, ग्लेशियर, विंड, ये और द फिजिकल फैक्टर्स है। सेकेंड द ह्यूमन बीइंग, so also the similar responsible for destroy, damage our fertility to the soil, top most layer of the soil, चाहे वो डिफॉरेस्टेशन हो, चाहे वो ओवरग्रेजिंग हो, चाहे माइनिंग के द्वारा हो, but we people the too concerned to save our fertility of the soil, because soil is the soul of agriculture. अगर हम उसकी सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी को नहीं बरकरार कर सकते हैं, उसको बचा नहीं सकते हैं, तो वी आर हंगर, विदाउट लैंड फिर कोई यूटिलाइज ही नहीं हो सकता है लैंड। फॉर एग्रीकल्चर पर्पस के लिए, अदर पर्पस के लिए हम यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं, लाइक ए कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क के लिए कर सकते हैं, रोडवेज के लिए कर सकते हैं, पार्किंग के लिए कर सकते हैं, ग्राउंड के लिए कर सकते हैं, बट जो ये मेजर बेसिक नीड्स है, फुलफिल योर बेसिक नीड्स जो है, फूड सिक्योरिटी को फुलफिल नहीं कर सकता है। तो वी पीपल टू conserve our fertile soil, some way, some measures, deforestation, stop overgrazing, mining, crop rotation, या some measures लेना है। Afforestation, row of the tree, overgrazing by animals, and step should be taken that check the restless cutting of the filling the tree. Flood should be avoided by the buildings of the dam, नेचुरली है। फ्लड भी तो एक कारण है, फ्लड भी एक तो रीजन है आपके सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी को बर्बाद करने के लिए। यस, सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी को डैमेज करने में द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स है फ्लड। So there are some way, some measures to protect, to save fertility of the soil. Stop the soil erosion, like afforestation. Number two, the rows of the trees, the shelter bed planted in the where? In the desert area. Why? That region to protect the field and the wind erosion. वो wind erosion जो आते हैं उसको वो रोकने के लिए, overgrazing animals की रोकने के लिए। Now सब first of all in the 2 and 3 another the methods, the way to conserve, to save our fertility of the soil, some the region like a hill region area, slope region area. तो स्लोपिंग रीजन एरिया और हिल रीजन एरिया, तो साइंटिफिक मेथड, साइंटिफिक मेथड्स पे, साइंटिफिक एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिस, लाइक द रोटेशन, like the rotation of crop, rotation of the crop. Second, now second, strip cropping. Third, terrace farming should be systematic we follow. Terrace farming means क्या है? The growing of the crop on the level of the steep or the terrace construction of the hilly region area. Basically, in the mountainous region area where the surface of land not the flat but the sloping area. Slope, gentle slope. So farmer preferred to this type of farming. Contour farming is also the techniques deployed in the parallel to the contours of the hill slope rather than the up and the down the slope of land. So we'll discuss the land soil resource, formation of the soil, उसका type of soil, which factors affecting the formation of soil like a parent rock, topography, climatic condition, vegetation, and time. Now, weathered rock, subsoil, and topsoil, layer of the soil, layer of the soil. So these soil are also formed not only weathering process but also the transported erosional and the transportation factors. Soil erosion, conservation of the soil, just the merit and demerit of the soil. Why fertile soil is essential for the all the human being. About the 90% the people are engaged in the field of the agriculture. And the people, yes. So we people are try to learn economic activity. Now some another the resources, natural resources, water resources, watery planet. One of the most important the precious the resource. जल ही जीवन है, जल के बिना कुछ नहीं. Abundance of water on the earth surface. वाटरी प्लेनेट, ब्लू प्लेनेट इसको कहते हैं. वाटर रिसोर्स, यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ वाटर, सोर्स ऑफ वाटर, यूज ऑफ वाटर, बट uneven distribution of water in the both hemisphere, the northern and southern hemisphere, 43% and 43% or 57% in the both hemisphere. The water bodies, they big to a small, ocean, sea, lake, river, pond, stream, glacier. So, at present कितना है आपका वाटर और सरफेस पर? 71% और सरफेस पर, तो 78% and 79%, 71%, 29% land and 71% water. Just refer to the hydrosphere, the study of water, source of water and the mouth of water. Generally, source of water क्या है? The high altitudes, higher we go and the cooler we find. एबव सी लेवल से जैसे ही हम लोग हाई पे जाते हैं, टेम्परेचर क्या होता है? डाउन हो जाता है. ग्लेशियल, कॉन्टिनेंटल ग्लेशियल हो या माउंटेन ग्लेशियल हो, द मेजर सोर्स ऑफ वाटर and mouth of water in the big water bodies. Just the cycle of water, life cycle of water. इसको कहते हैं हाइड्रोलॉजिकल साइकिल. कंटिन्यूअस सर्कुलेशन ऑफ वाटर, द थ्री स्फीयर्स, हाइड्रोस्फीयर, एटमोस्फीयर एंड द लिथोस्फीयर. But water, slide water, fresh water, vary from places. But the oceanic region area, 97.3% ओशनिक वाटर है और 2.7% आपका जो प्योर वाटर है. 99 most of the people, the world, to depend upon the fresh water for domestic purpose. So the 2.7% water, it fulfill your basic needs too. And another rest the oceanic water preparation for the other work like a salt. Surface water which present above the earth's surface from the river, stream and the lake. Now let's discuss the hydrological cycle. Draw a diagram the hydrological cycle. वर्ल्ड का मैप देख रहे हो. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, the distribution fresh water fund where the place which are the receive the heavy rainfall, like in the mountainous region here, India ka availability of the water the less in the area where the less rainfall, like in the desert region area. But just the given the map of the high rainfall region area and the low rainfall region area. Equatorial region area and the South America, Africa and Southeast Asia. Equatorial, it means the 0 degree to 10 degree north and the south region area. Area low rainfall in the tropical desert region area, not the temperate desert, tropical desert region area, Sahara desert region area, Central and Western Australia, Kalahari desert region area, North Eurasia desert area. So availability of water also depends, आपका डिपेंड करता है कि रिलीज ऑफ द रेन वाटर, हाई एंड द लो रेनफॉल. हाई द लो रेनफॉल, जहां पर लो रेनफॉल है वहां पर वाटर स्कार्सिटी की संभावना बनेगी. जहां हाई, बोथ आर द नेचुरल कैलेमिटीज, वन द रिजल्ट द फ्लड एंड अनदर ड्रॉट. फ्लड एंड ड्रॉट दोनों की बात करते हैं. Water pollution, the quality of water in the some river is adversely affected as the untreated industrial waste and the urban waste is the dumped into them. So polluted water, if consumed, so what happens? The causes of the many diseases like the cholera है, jaundice है, typhoid है, and disturb the ecosystem. Effect made the clean water in the river. इसलिए to wash, to clean water का यूज करना है. Now next day the discuss the multi-purpose river valley projects. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.